Hi, so in this video I'm going to talk about how I was able to find manufacturers to work with to create my product. What I would recommend for finding manufacturers who will be able to make your product is to first search your product. If you're making like, I don't know, like a suitcase, I will search suitcase. If you're making like a coat, search coat. Or whatever you're making, just search your product in the search bar. Immediately after I search my product, the first thing I will do is I will go up to where it says verify manufacturers, and then once you click on verify manufacturers, the only options should be manufacturers who have been verified. Once you click on verify manufacturers, the next thing that you need to click on is you go down to the sidebar and you click trade assurance. So now all the results should only be verified manufacturers who also have trade assurance. So now not only am I looking at manufacturers who I know have produced similar products to what I'm trying to get made, but I also know that they're verified and that they have trade assurance. Next thing is that I will look through all the manufacturers, and then I will go and look at how many products have they made. If they haven't made a lot of products, then I will be very wary of working with them. I will only pick a manufacturer who has had a lot of products made, who have a lot of experience under their belts. Also, I will look at how long have they been working on Alibaba. I will try to go for a manufacturer who has been here for a while, whose company has been verified and working and delivering products on Alibaba for a few years now, because that's how you know they're legit and that they're serious about their business and they're not just here to scam people and then shut down and never be heard from again. So after that, the next step is that I like to read through reviews. I will look through the reviews and see what people have said about this company, like what they said about the products. Sometimes if you read through the products, you can see what people are saying about how the delivery was. Was the quality good? Was the fabric good? You'll be able to get to know this more as you read through people's reviews. Something I'm on the lookout for as I read through reviews is make sure that all the reviews don't sound like it was written by bots or by the same person on different accounts. So I try to look through the reviews and pay attention to if it's very natural and how the words are, if it sounds like a red flag, if people are using the same words over and over again, or if it just sounds like someone logged into a bunch of different accounts and just made similar reviews. Another thing that I like to do, I will search up the company to see all the different websites that it shows on, or all the different people who have interacted with this company, or who are talking about this company, or who have worked at this company. Not necessarily last, but one other thing I do to kind of vet manufacturers is I will look if they are willing to customize my product to be exactly how I want it to be. If it's a manufacturer that is not big on customizing, it just wants to sell you their bag the way it is and then only like print your logo on it, then I'm not really willing to work with a manufacturer like that, because I want a product that's my own original product. Another thing I look at is manufacturers who are willing to work with you even if you have like need a low amount of samples, just so you can get a feel of how the quality of the work is, because the first time you're working with a manufacturer, you do not want to bulk order with them, because if the quality is horrible, then you have wasted your money and you're stuck with all this bulk order that you did not even need. So those are the way I was able to narrow down to 2 manufacturers to turn my product into a physical prototype. Stay tuned if you want to see more on my journey to turn my product into a prototype and to turn it into mass manufacturing. I'm also going to do an unboxing video when my product arrives. So stay tuned if you want to see my unboxing of my manufacturer sample prototype. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video of my manufacturing series. Bye!